Yo guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what we're going to be doing is I will be showing you guys how to upgrade your Steam profile without, like, you guys probably wouldn't even know you have Steam points without buying them. So basically, even if you don't buy a game on Steam, you should still have some Steam points. So if you go to view my profile right now, you can't really see like the main profile, like, yeah, you can't really see my main profile, but as you can see is my profile picture. Oh, here it is. Okay, so this is it. So it'll say your Steam level, it'll show your profile picture. I just have the Benny and the Ink Machine. I didn't really upload one, it was just there because I own the game. So basically I have the Benny and the Ink Machine profile picture. The background, as you can see, is moving. It's like skulls and stuff, just reminds me of BO3 calling card, so I just got it. And then the around, as you can see, is just ink because it just matches so well with the bendy that I can't change it. And then you can also see your medals and stuff. Obviously, you're gonna get back to FNAF Security Breach. It's just that I'm too busy at the moment. When I find more time, like when I'm not doing a tutorial, when I find more time, I will definitely get back to it. So all I've got is 1 of 29 surprise jump scare. That's it. So basically, how you do this is, let's just go back to library. So when you open Steam, you start over here. You're gonna go to store, right? And when you go to store, you'll be able to see, like when you hover over it, point shop, right? So when you go to a point shop, add point shop, so you can see I have 2.7k points, and I've already bought like the around thing for like 1k and the calling card for like 2k, so that's like 3k. So I had like 5.7k, but I used it. So I have 2.7k, and as you can see this was the one I got for 2k, cyber psychosis, and 2.7k. Let's get something. So basically, once you're in the store, you can literally get anything. I mean, these weren't showing when I was getting this, so just so you know. And I think this is yeah, I have the mini profile background. I don't have a huge. Oh yeah, this is why, because I was looking at mini profile background, so it's only like when you hover over one person, but when you go in your full profile where people will see the entire background of that color. So let's get one of those. These are game profiles. I don't know what game this is, but 10,000 is a lot. Game profiles. Okay, so we're gonna our goal is to look for a profile background. Yeah, like no profile background like these, right? So there's more. The boys, they are weird ones. Watches. Wait, let's click on this. This is how we will look on the side. Just, you can literally just look how you can see who made it, and you can see your balance and how it will look on your profile. Like, this is your profile and how it will look. So let's go back to the first view. This one, this one looks really cool, to be honest, in my opinion. What is this purple one? I don't like the purple one. I thought it was better. So not this one. It's between this Rogue AI watches. Let's carry on looking. Oh, this is cool. That's nice. What is this? No, that's lame. Oh, because that's only 500, I see. Make sure it's like 2,000, or if you don't have that much, then you can get a 500, but they like more, like 500 ones are just standstill, so I wouldn't recommend them. I would recommend just save. This one still looks cool. Burning Forest. I think, let's just look at watches again. Yeah, not watches, I wouldn't say watches. What is this? Between this, actually not feeling that one anymore. These watches, it is 2,000 points purchased, and you can equip now. So now when you click view my profile, that's how it looks. This actually looks really good, to be honest. So you can't really see because my webcam's over here, but it's like so cool because there's 4 eyes here, 4 eyes here, and that looks really cool. And then you can see profile picture, and yeah, with the background as well. And you can also like view like their recent activities, so how much they've played, like on any profile. You can see their badges, their games. As you can see, this is my, like, since I got this PC like end of 2020, end of 2020, I got this PC, and that's why I have less badges and stuff, because I had an old Steam account with a lot, yeah, and I had a lot of that, so I couldn't link it because I forgot everything about it because I was very small when I made that. But yeah, this is my new one basically, and my main now. So you can just, if you add me if you want, let me actually go. You can add me if you want to play anything. Just add me, and I forgot how to add people. So you click friends, add a friend, and yeah. So basically, your friend has to send you their friend code, and you just copy it from them and you paste it here, or you send them theirs, you send them yours, you copy it, paste it to them, and yeah. And you can also like invite them to Steam, or invite them to your friend, or you can just enter the profile name. So you guys want a short route, just enter AJAV, A capital J and no caps HAV over here, and you can add me. Remember how it looks now, you guys should know. And if you guys want the long route, if this is not working, then you just go with the friend code. Just look at my friend code right now and just type it in. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was just a quick tutorial on how to spend your points. You may not even know you had points. So I hope this helped a few of you. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please drop a like, subscribe, comment down below what you want me to do next. Bye.